Okay, so we are now on the second step. We are already done with the stiffness matrix and the mass matrix. We are going to proceed now in this part. So, usa ni sa pinakakote. Kote-kote to gamay si stiffness matrix because of the addition, but this part here is much more kote. So, this is the stiffness matrix, di ba? And this is the mass, our mass matrix. Unsay buhaton na to? Ato siyang isulat in this form. Ana si stiffness matrix minus omega squared times the mass matrix. That is what it meant. Is equal to the null vector. So, ato na silang iuban. So, ingani na itsura. This is just the stiffness matrix minus the, again, we have our omega squared there and our mass matrix. Since this part is equal to 0 and we have our 5,000, i-factor out na to, diba? We can divide 5,000 to the whole equation. So since i-divide na to sa equation, divide na tanan og 5,000, divide 5,000, divide 5,000, divided by 5,000, divided by 5,000, etc. Because everything there is divided by 5,000. As well, kani kung i-divide mo 5,000, this will become 1 na lang man, di ba? Mao na din yung new form. So, tanawan, gamay siya. From 32 million to 6,439. So, ato siyang gipagamay late kay later on mo nasamot mo balik ni dako. It will become billions. So, ato siyang pagamyan daan kay aron later on billions na lang siya. Dili na siya mo samot pagyud kadako. So, minus omega squared times our mass matrix is equal to 0. Now, this part, pwede ra na to, kana si omega squared ganing a part, no? We call this our eigenvalue. Si eigenvalue that corresponds to the square of the natural frequency, diba? Dito kay square si natural frequency. Kana siya nga part, you can keep it as is, omega squared. Pwede po mo mag-substitute og other value to represent the eigenvalue. So for this example, let's say no, we use b. Let b is equal to omega squared. So the equation now will look like this. Actually, the same naman sila, pero kanila ang difference because we let b as our omega squared. This is a critical. Okay, naiuban nga malibog manggod pag omega to the fourth nang ilang makita. So, we just continue. This is just from this one, no? And proceed na to sa next nga slide. Okay, yun sa may buhat mo sinetabo. This is a constant, right? We are going to apply multiplication of constant in the matrix. So you just multiply that to all numbers there. And since majority is 0, so mura na siya kung ano ato i-multiply diretso si b. So b times 1, that is b. 0.5 times b, that is 0.5b. And b times 0.25, that becomes 0.25b. Okay naman siya, no? Limpyo na. Wala na constant sa gawa sa matrix. Unsa may next na to buhaton? We are now going to apply the operation. So, yun saan pag-apply si operation? Kung asa nga row, asa nga column na mo na imo ang i-applyan lang sa addition or subtraction. So, first row, first column, subtrakan nimo kog b. So, pares-pares na sila. So, the rest is 0 man. So, more likely, ang may tabo sa to is kanig yung diagonal ang ma-change, no? 9,428.389934 minus 0.5b. And then, the other one nga diagonal, which is 5,169.145384 minus 0.25b. So, after applying the operation, it will become now a singular matrix. This is our goal. A single matrix. The single matrix that represent the difference of the stiffness matrix and the omega squared times the mass matrix. So next is since we have our unknown, say B, we are going to proceed with our third step. Okay, humana naman ta diri. We have already nakuha naman nato no, na-achieve naman nato ni si stiffness matrix minus omega squared times the mass matrix, which is that one. Next step will be getting the determinant of this matrix. Symbol ni determinant na ay det nakabutang or ingani, no? So if ang nakabutang is ingani, no, it means kwaon nimong determinant kung unsay na di sa sulod. So this this matrix there, we're going to get the determinant for this matrix. That one, no, di ba? So saan pagkuha sa determinants? We have several ways to get the determinant. We can get the determinant using cofactor expansion or basket method. So in our example here, we're going to use the cofactor expansion. So para matun-an, no, kay naiuban nga anad kaayog basket method. Pag tuod din nila sa 4-story nga building, automatic basket method diretso. Wala sila kay baro nga expand pa din mo. No? We have cofactor expansion first before basket method. Basket method is very ideal with a 3x3 nga matrix. So since we have a 3x3 square, this is a square matrix, and then man siya maka-apply tag determinants. We can use determinants. How we are going to get the determinant using cofactor expansion? So mo na siya, no? If this is our matrix A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, we have our main quantity factors. We have the A, B, and C. So ang buhaton nimo ani is kani sila diring sa first row, i-multiply na nimo sila sa ilang cofactor. So inyong tanawon ng minor ana niya, kinsa man ang minor ana niya? Tanan wala na tungod sa iyang row ug tanan wala na tungod sa iyang column, it will be its minor. So this is the minor of A. So A times its the determinant of its minor, and then we have minus B as the determinant of its minor. So yun sa man na pagkuha si D, F, G, H, I. So since this is the B, tanan nga dili magian sa row o column, so dapat ang tanan nga ka-column o ka-row niya dili siya appeal. So ang nara is D, G, F, and I. That's why we have here D, G, F, and D, F, G, and I. So kuha mo determinant ana, and then you have for the C and this part. We just distribute that, ingani ang iyang itsura. So we're going to kanino medyo taas man ni siya nga part. We're going to continue this in a while. So so our A here in this matrix is this part. Ano siya nga diri? Times kani. So that is just kana times minus this one. That's what we're going to do. And then minus the B, which is this. Negative 4,259.24455. And then times the determinant of its minor. So kani times this one minus this one minus this one. That's why we have this and minus this one. And lastly, the C, no, this part times the determinant of its minor. So kani multiplication of that, the product of that minus this one. In the next discussion, we're going to elaborate this further. Aron ma-practice ninyo no unsaon na siya pag solve or calculate.